How's everybody doing? Tinkering with Harleys. First, I want to thank all of you who have subscribed, and if you watch these videos and you like them, by all means, please subscribe. Well, today we're going to be doing something I know I've never done before. We're going to be packing bearings. Now, I know a lot of you out there know how to pack bearings, but this is for those of you who have never done it or never seen it done. And the bearings we're going to be packing are for the triple trees, the stem for the triple trees. You got an upper and a lower. So let's get right to it. Okay, these are the two bearings that we're going to be packing, and they're new bearings, and these are for the project bike. And the reason we're doing this, number one, we're changing the front ends on it. And the front end that came off of here, the bearings were not, the top bearing was bad. But you can't pack existing bearings on a triple tree because the bottom bearing, when you take it off, you destroy the bearing, so you got to replace it. And before you put it on, they have to be packed. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now what you do is you get some good grease, and you take the bearing like this, and you just start doing it like that, rubbing the bearing on it and forcing the grease up through it. Now this is something, before they had sealed bearings, this is something that you had to do all the time. This was a very common practice. Now, as you can see there, as I'm doing that, you can start to see the grease coming out of the top of the bearing. And when you see it coming out of the top, you've got that section done. So, and you just keep doing it like that, and as you do it, as you see the grease start coming up through there, you just rotate the bearing around till you get the whole thing. And you can see it starting to come up through there. And like I said, you know, we're changing the triple trees. This is on the project bike, so we're putting a new set of triple trees on there. We had to remove the races out of the old one and put new races in. And the bearings that are on this triple tree are not bad, but since we've got new races, we want to put new bearings in also. Everything else is new on the bike, so. And we've been working slowly on the project bike. But this is how you do it. You just keep on just dragging it over that grease till you see it coming out the top. And you can see how that's working. You can see the grease right there. And we need a little bit more. And we'll just keep doing it until we get it fully packed. Now, this used to be a common practice, automotive, motorcycles, before they came out with the sealed bearings. And if it wasn't being lubricated by oil, you did this with almost all the bearings in a vehicle, whether it be a motorcycle or a car. You did this with your real bearings on a bike. Of course, that again, before they came out with the seal bearings. And that's all there is to it. It's a real simple process. So now if you look, you can see all the way around here, these bearings are packed. This bearing's packed. So that's how you do it. So I hope this helps somebody, and until next time, everybody be safe out there.